Hi, how are you? So I analyzed your trace and found why user left this negative feedback. So without wasting any time, I'll come to what I analyzed, what are my solutions, and what will be my testing strategies in the end. So basically, the main issue is just like our main system just went opposite to this thing. Like it generalist node basically didn't classify the user query to query the knowledge base tool of the system, and didn't just give general answer based on model knowledge, and didn't went to the sources, didn't recommend citations. So uh, there are few architecture problem, and also there's one issues with the prompt. So basically I'll directly go to solution. So first, my first solution strategy will be improve these prompts, mainly system prompt, add explicit rules when to use knowledge based tool or any other tool, or when not to use any tool. Add space for short term memory, so our system has memory of previous conversation going on, so it can save also cost of using the wrong tool unnecessarily, because sometimes the knowledge is in previous conversation of user. And the second, which is the most important and related to architectural decision. So basically currently this system is just asking generalist or router to just router to knowledge based tool without defining as any middle point or something. So basically I'll use some classic thing of ML, which is intent classification. So basically we'll pass the user query with the previous conversation to our router or model, which are prompts define our rule define when to use knowledge base tool or anything. It will basically classify our a query will define the schema what to output, and then it will return the output like this, intent intent of the query based on previous conversation or current question, which intent is equal to use knowledge base tool, or use some other tool, or use combined tool multiple. So then we'll have a simple function. If intent is equal to knowledge base tool, it will trigger the knowledge base tool, pass the input what's required defined by the router in another field, the user is asking for this that and that. It was this his question, and then our simply knowledge base tool will respond in the way answer based on company information, and then also give citations which we can use in the metadata, and how our knowledge based tool will be worked. And the third strategy will be working on hard guardrail. So we can implement another using another model or router, or sorry, not router, but agent or tool. We can ask the agent to analyze each question, each answer and question both. So we are not releasing any company secret information to users. Sometime in our knowledge base we feed company secret information password or anything. So we can also implement guardrail, which will really help. It will add some cost, but it will really help. Or we can just add in this main prompt. So in short, two main approaches. One is just fix the prompts, add memory, and the third is architecture change, just shifting from complete agentic model to rule based plus our AI system. So that will be classic AI back in 2020 or 2023, that kind of logic. So now on testing strategy, I have two strategies in my mind. First is like which is kind of automated. We'll first build data synthetic data sets with questions, their expected answers, and we'll do different A/B testing in it. We'll feed the automated synthetic data generated from some other models, or we can use combination, or from internet we can find the data set for our this use case. uh, this synthetic data will be used to test different things like testing cost, testing latency, and everything, like user load, stress test. But the main test is like our AI quality. So it will like test different interaction, simulate like fake users, and we do A/B testing, and we can like then see trace in the lang trace, and we can also like pass these traces into another AI model for like automated testing. This is like kind of automated testing, so all the like heavy lifting will be done from the another AI model. So then come to like manual testing, which will take time and will give like more good results, and it depends on how like tester tests it. So we can like type different query, test core thing, our core cases, like we will define like these are our like functionalities. This will be much more on the end side, not like just digging in the traces what's happening, what's not. It will be more on like end side, like how user will use it on the high level, non technically. So does user gets expected response, does it matching with the like user expectation. This will be like manual testing, and it will take some time, but it really helps like in launching in production, having like much confidence like our system will work or not. So that's it from my side, and if you need like more details on, like I can share a document or implementation plan like with more detail how this will work and propose my solution in writing, so you will have a clear picture of it. Like thank you, that's it from my side, and we can like follow up on upward for more details if required. Thank you.